Good day to you, everyone. I am Devabatunde Joy by name, and I will be taking you a topic in physics term technological applications of physics part 2. And at the end of the lesson, you should be able to define energy, state the types of energy, state the forms of energy, state the uses of energy, describe dam and its uses, describe power plant, describe satellite and their uses in Nigeria. Let's proceed. Now, introduction, meaning of energy. Energy is the ability or capacity to do work. Type of energy. There are two basic types of energy. These are kinetic energy, which is the energy possessed by every moving object, that is, object in motion. Potential energy. This is the type of energy possessed by every object at rest. This object that do not move, or you call them stationary objects. Forms of energy. We have many forms of energy, and among those forms I have with me here solar energy, which is the sun, chemical energy from the bodies of plants and animals, electrical energy from an electric field, nuclear energy from the nucleus of an atom, sound energy from sound wave, mechanical energy, heat energy, etc. Uses of energy. Energy is useful in the following areas. 1. Energy is used in carrying out the various economic activities. It is used in the industry for producing the various goods via the use of the various machines and human effort. 3. It is also used in transportation system. 4. It is used residentially via the use of the various household appliances. Now let's look at dams. A dam is a constructed barrier to hold back water and raises its level to form a reservoir that is used to generate electricity or to supply water for several uses. Certain principles in physics are used for its construction and purposes. Uses of dam. Dams are built to provide water for human consumption. They are built to irrigate the arid and semi-arid lands or for industrial processes. Dams are built to increase the amount of water available for generating hydroelectric power, as we have in Kainji Dam. They are also built to reduce peak discharge of flood water created by large storms or heavy snowmelt. They can also provide a lake for recreational purposes such as swimming, boating, and fishing. Ship can also travel via it by increasing its depth. Now let's look at power stations. What do you mean by power station? A power station is a place where electricity is generated. In this case, an integration of devices is involved. The following are the various sources of power. These are solar, gas, and water. That is sources of electrical power, to be specific. The knowledge of physics is therefore useful in the production of the materials and machines used in generating power, as well as their operational principles. Types of power plants. We have hydroelectric power plants, which are used to generate power using the water force to turn the generator. We have thermal power plants. These use coal to generate power. And also we have solar power plant, which uses solar field to generate power. Now also we have what is called wind power plant, which uses the wind force. Now let's look at the meaning of satellite. What is a satellite? A satellite is an object that moves around another object in space. Type of satellite. There are two basic types of satellites. These are natural satellite like the moon, which is the satellite of the earth. Artificial satellite in conjunction with computers are used for telecommunication purposes in places of the world, including Nigeria. The mechanical technological applications of physics in satellite is the production of the component parts and the empirical study of the force that holds them in space. Now let's quickly take a look at the final aspect, which is the summary. Physics is mechanically and technologically applicable in the production of devices and the operational principles as they are used in humanity. And at the end of this lesson, I have the following assignment for you, and you please do forward the assignment to the mail provided. Assignments: state how satellites are used for telecommunication purpose. Thank you, and do have a nice day.